Hello guys, let me share you one incident happened in 2011. My uncle was passed away due to cardiac arrest. I had to go village because to attend some ritual things, and after that I came back in Mumbai. So when I was back in Mumbai, seriously, guys, I was completely jobless and moneyless. I was looking for a job to bear my daily personal expenses and you can say my pocket money. I was ready to do any kind of job. So, with the reference, finally I got the job. It was sales job. In that job, I had to sell Active popcorn and Sundrop oil. You might have heard these products. It is very popular. So, but I was working under a distributor, not on company payroll. So what distributor will tell that I have to do. So you know what happened one day. I came to the distributor to get my bag and brochures, and I was going to the market. Then he stopped me and he told me to load, unload cartons. In one cartons it weighs 20 liters per carton. So he told me to load unload from the tempo. So I told him, it's not my profile, sir. I am salesman. I have you guys have been hired me to take the order of oil or Active popcorn, and now you giving me this such kind of job. I literally shocked that day. But as you know that if the distributor is paying to me, then basically he's my commanding manager. So I did that. So this has been happened for 6 months. I remember one fine day, the area manager from the company. The company name was Agrotech Foods Private Limited. So all these products are related to that company. These are the products of that company: Sundrop and Active, ready to eat, all these products. So he visited, and I got noticed from him because I was good in computer skills like Excel, Tally, all the soft skills. And he offered me a job. And that was area sales supervisor. So my KRA was to build up a new team and get oil or popcorn, all these products, sales from them. I got an opportunity and I joined the company, and I hired few salesmen along with in my team, and I started working with them. So guys, if you ask anybody about hell or heaven, you will hear many concepts, many theories on these topics like hell and heaven. What is hell? What is heaven? But the core feeling of hell will be a bad and the good feelings for the heaven. right? So if you want heaven-like treatment in your life, then you have to go through hell. There is no other way, as per my experience. You can also share your experience as well in the comment section. So love you all guys, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.